Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW M2 Competition versus the Hellcat. Let's dive into their raw power. The M2 Competition, a compact powerhouse, offers 405 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque, launching to 60 mph in about 4.0 seconds. In stark contrast, Hellcat models are known for their immense output, often exceeding 700 horsepower, with some variants pushing past 800. These muscle cars can hit 60 mph in under 3.5 seconds, showcasing a significant difference in straight-line acceleration. Moving beyond raw power, let's explore how these two beasts handle. The BMW M2 Competition, with its smaller footprint and meticulously tuned chassis, offers exceptional agility and precise cornering. It's engineered for a balanced and engaging driving experience, making it a joy on winding roads. The Hellcat, however, embraces a different philosophy. While powerful, its larger and heavier build means it prioritizes brute force and straight-line performance, delivering a thrilling, albeit less nimble, muscle car feel. Now, let's consider their design and practicality. The BMW M2 Competition presents itself as a sleek, two-door coupe, exuding a sporty and aggressive aesthetic. Inside, you'll find a refined cabin with high-quality materials and advanced technology, typical of BMW's premium offerings. Hellcat models, on the other hand, are available in multiple body styles, including coupes and sedans, offering more versatility. Their interiors are spacious and performance-focused, emphasizing a bold, American muscle car identity rather than outright luxury. Finally, let's talk about value and ownership. The BMW M2 Competition typically starts around $60,000, offering a premium, track-ready experience. Hellcat models generally command a higher starting price, often exceeding $70,000, reflecting their immense power and larger size. Both cars deliver incredible performance, but they appeal to different drivers. One offers precision and agility, the other, unadulterated brute force. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.